As mentioned in our last episode, the weather wasn't the best when we left Kenya. The cloud got darker and darker, but there's no such thing like bad weather, only the wrong clothes. We enjoyed the day at sea and were happy to arrive in Rethymnon harbor. We intended to sail on to Rethymnon the next morning to pick up Andre, but instead we inserted a maintenance day on board and stayed in the port for another day. One of our toilets started to make some troubles a few days ago. The gaskets were worn out and the handle started to leak, so they had to be replaced. With the help of the manual, Mario tried to fix it. Changing them was fairly easy, but still the fun factor was below room temperature. What shall I tell you, it was a shitty job. Luckily, outdoor transmission via internet is not yet invented. The next day we sailed over to Rethymnon and picked up our other guests for the weekend, Bernd and Eve. Welcome on board! We motored from Rethymnon to Rethymnon, where we had a relaxing late October swim and enjoyed the day in the sun.
Every moment spent with you is like a dream that's come true. Every time I hear your voice, feels like I'm floating on a cloud. Maybe fairy tales come true. Maybe it's just me and you. We don't even have to try. Let's just fly. Oh, baby, so high till we can touch the sky. Oh, it's so meant to be. We feel so perfectly. Dream that was soaring so free. You'll always have the key for this eternity.
While Andre was hanging around on the deck with us, Eve and Bernd explored the bay and discovered a cave that contained some sort of shrine. According to the Greek mythology, Rethymnon was the island where Thesaurus, the mythical king and founder hero of Athens, escaped to after killing the Minotaurus. After a big breakfast, we left our lonely bay and targeted to Agios Nikolaos. Maria gave a short sailing 101 and our guest took over and sailed the next mile safely and most comfortably. I could relax the entire day in the sun and edit our videos. Sadly, the guest has to leave again next morning. It was great to have you on board. Sorry for the seasickness, but guest, now you are prepared for the next time, then hopefully with a bit more time in your luggage. For all who have followed us so far or have been on board, we could not let them go without playing Uno. Eve, you took the penalty like a pro.
Von 100.
150.
Entschuldigung, 150.
Weiß nicht.
23.
The next day it was Halloween. And what do you need for Halloween? Of course, a spooky pumpkin! If you want to see more of the making of, you can find another video on our channel. See us next time, how we arrived in Scythia and helped out on an olive grove and learned how olive oil is being made.